Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. They're going to give you a quick review of the Urbanista Sydney portable speaker. This is their newest speaker. So we're going to unbox it first and then we're going to give you some sound tests and what it's like. So this is the box here. It's smaller than the previous speaker that you've seen before here. And this has a playback of 5 hours, connect 2 speakers, water resistance IPX5, Bluetooth 5.0, volume controls, driver unit which is 40mm, driver power 3 watts, and compatible with Android and iOS. So you have Bluetooth 5.0, water resistance, and you connect 2 speakers. So what we're going to do is unbox it now and then we're going to give you a sound test. So presentation, as always, at Urbanista is really nice and really quality. Nothing cheap about it at all. And in the box you get the speaker. You will get a little booklet here, user guide in several languages, and you probably get a little cable in here perhaps. Yep. And you have a cable which is micro USB. So that's that in that department there. That's all there is. So first look at the speaker. It's got a nice fabric around the front and back and go around the top. It's got rubber feet on the bottom, so that will keep it from moving around. You have the Urbanista branding on the side here, and the same over this side here. In the back is your ports, so you can plug in your charging here, and it has a 3.5mm socket there. And we've also got some buttons up on top, so you have the Urbanista branding here, your Bluetooth, your plus and minus, and they're slightly raised as you can see. And we presume this is the power on, and that's it there. So that's what it looks like there, and you can see an LED coming through there, so that's ready to pair with your smartphone or whatever it is that you might be pairing it with. So after the break we're going to give you some tests of sound and let you see what you think. But the build quality is excellent, as with all products from Urbanista, really solid. I like the branding here on the side. The colour is nice. It comes in a couple of different colours. You have pink, white, black and green if you want, or you can call this camo. And that's it for now, so after the break check out the sound test. Okay, so we're back now. We're going to give you some sound demos on the Urbanista Sydney portable speaker. And this is a nice, really nice speaker, and it's got really good bass on it as well, and it's portable and fits in the hand as well. So you can actually put this in your pocket if you want, or your travel bag, or if ladies are carrying it in their handbag, no problem. It's not used, but there's a really good sound off it, and there's particularly nice bass coming out of it as well, which is important, as a lot of people do like to have bass in their music. So we're going to test it now, and let's get things moving. And on the phone here you'll see connected to the Urbanista Sydney. So we're going to test some tracks first that are royalty free. So that's just some sounds coming straight from my smartphone through Bluetooth. So what we're going to do is now is we're going to go on to YouTube. I'll let you listen to what it's like on that. Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz today. I'm going to give you a quick review. You've got squeeze for the system. Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz today. We're going to talk about the Pixel 4 which I've been using for the last few days. And straight away off the bat you can see you've got an always on display, and it's also got a kind of a bigger forehead because there's sensors in there, or radar, which will pick up. So you can lower the volume there and higher it if you like, and that's what it sounds like. So it's got really good bass. I'm impressed with that. Really nice sound, pretty clear and easy to use. There's nothing too technical about it, so anyone can pick it up and use it. So you've got your Bluetooth pairing key here, your power on and off here, your volume up and down. Pretty simple, so it shouldn't be a problem to use for anybody. So that's really about it. Pretty simple speaker, looks well, really nice, pocketable. You can bring her anywhere. IPX5 water resistance, and it's pretty nice indeed. You've got Bluetooth 5.0. You can connect two speakers. You've 5 hours playtime, and you've got 40mm drivers and compatible with Android and iOS. And that's really about it. Very simple and designed really nicely, executed very well, and good sound. And you can hear the sound there from yourself from the test samples there. And you have your aux on the back, as I said, and your USB for charging. And again, this seals up nicely by pushing that in, as you can see, and rubber stoppers on the bottom which will keep it in place. And there's a couple of bits of information down on the bottom that you see on the more or less everything. You've got Sydney and Urbanista there, and that's it. Nice tough material as well, really nice fabric, which is kind of on the lines of you'd see now on the likes of perhaps the likes of these and some earphones that we've got. A lot of companies now switching to fabric rather than metal for their design and their overall aesthetics and look. So that's it for now. Check out Tech Buzz Ireland for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.